Namaste, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. Welcome to this session, everyone, where I'll be telling you about the important books to refer for ICSE board examination. I know, you all might be wondering why are we doing this session now? Because we are literally at the end of the academic year and the exams are near. But as you all know, at least CBSE board, they have officially released the dates, but ICSE, we are still kind of confused. But according to the sources, it might be in the month of May or maximum June. When it comes to ICSE, it is very, very important to choose the right book. Um, from my experience, what I have learned is, so in ICSE, the difference between CBSE and ICSE, yes, firstly, a vast syllabus and the question paper pattern. Right? It's not about, okay, they will just give you definition, examples. No, it will be, most of them will be application based. For that, you need to practice a lot. So, sample question papers and the previous year question paper and the practical work. So, it is very, very important. So, even if you have not started yet, from zero also you still have a chance to score 95 plus. Maybe if you refer these books, or if you attend the sessions regularly, if you practice a lot, and if you work really hard. So all the best. So importance of book, we all know the man who does not read good books has no advantage over a man who cannot read them. So it's always very, very important to read the good books. So maybe after reading them, you can see one person will like this one, the other does not. So it is up to them, right? Now coming to the chemistry, I guess no one can say no, no one can disagree with me. It is a very, very good book. I guess every ICSE student must have this, right? It's a must have. Selena, so even teachers also, like me also, if we have to teach you, then even we have to study. So we also refer the same book, so Concise Chemistry Class 10 by Selena publication. So it is a really, really a very good book. So if you are having this, well and good. So the next one is Rachna Saga together with chemistry. So the thing is, it's very well put. So the explanation, or the important points to remember, the previous year question papers, the exercises, or even the practical chemistry work examples. So they are really good. So I'm sure if you have it, then it's really good. You can actually refer it, and it will help you to score well. Now, what should I tell you about the chapter wise last year's all papers? So, it is very, very, very important. So, when I was in class 10, for us, it was, like before 6 months, they completed the syllabus, and the next 6 months, all we did was to solve the 10-year question papers and to write exams. So, at the end, we were like literally sick of the exams. We didn't even want to write board exams. So, our school conducted more than 10 exams, I guess. Yeah, so all kind of open tests, or they used to send us the question paper and next day you have to come and write it, and very strict preparatory examination, every kind of exam they did. But to be honest, it actually helped us to get out of that fear, because we all know when you are taking that board examination, because you don't have any experience and it's the first time, and the hype, and everyone, literally everyone asks you about the board examination when you are in class 10. So those practice and the amount of hard work our teachers and the whole school staff put, it was the result was fruitful. So we did well and we got 100% result. But still, what was I telling is about the previous year question papers, it is literally your best friend. As I told you, I always used to carry that this big, maybe it was Oswald, I guess. I still have it at home. If when I go there, I'll just try to get it this big, right? So I used to carry it every single day, because when it comes to ICSE, it's all about the pattern. You should know what kind of questions will come. I'm not only talking about chemistry, every other subject. So you might be having computer science or the physical education. It is very, very important, right? So this, of course, this publication since 1984, I guess, they are doing really well. They always have the updated syllabus, and they will have it in the tabular form, and it's really good. Even the solutions are pretty much, it will be accurate, so you can actually refer this one, and they are updated with the syllabus. You can go for this. And this is simplified ICSC by Vijay Dalal. I'm sure you must know this, and you might be having this book as well. Equally, equally, equally good as the Selena publications, Concise Chemistry. So if you have any of them, then it is very good. So if you have both also, what you can do is, so before buying the books, so if your friend has it, don't just buy everything and just pile it up. So just go through it, or in the library. I'm sure you cannot go to the school now, but if any one of you are going, or if you're still confused which book should I get, then you can just go and just read a chapter. If it is very easy for you to comprehend and to understand and all that, then you can go with that book. But I really like this one as well. So these are few objective questions, chemistry, and again Gurukul ka 10-year question papers. So everyone should have this last 10 years solved paper. Of course, please be updated with the syllabus. Don't study everything, don't solve every kind of question, but this book is a must. Last 10-year question papers is a must. So I'm telling you from my experience how much it helped me to score well in the 10th board examination. So go for it, people. All the very best. These are again together with Rachana Sagar ka practical manual, and we have one more as well. Practical manual. So if you want to have it, you can. Otherwise, it's not compulsory like Selena and Vijay Dalal. So if you have it, well and good. Otherwise, also it's completely fine. So these are the list of few books which I have really liked and which are really good, which will help you to understand the topic and. You can even practice a lot of questions. There will be lots of exercises, sample question papers, the previous year question paper. So if you are referring to these books, so I'm sure you will do well in the exam. And all the very best. And you can even watch our session. So we are already done with the syllabus, and we are coming up with the one shot videos, and there will be different series for ICSE students to make sure that you are very well prepared for the board examination. And don't worry if you have any confusions, if you are in dilemma like regarding anything, feel free to contact me and let me know how you are feeling. And this is it for today. If you want to take up the pro subscription plan, visit the link given in the description and in the pinned comment, where you can attend the unlimited live classes. You can compete with the students all over the world, and there will be in-class doubt solving. You will get the notes, handwritten notes of the master teacher. Tests will be conducted regularly. Assignments will be shared with you. What and all. Yes, and along with that, my favorite, micro courses and crash courses. So micro courses is something I would have, if I was a student, I would have really gone to it, and I would have bought the pro subscription, because when I'm teaching you the fifth chapter, you might have questions related to the first or second chapter, and of course you can't expect the teacher to go back and teach you the first or second chapter, right? But this micro course will allow you to enroll into the micro course of any master teacher who is teaching you any subject or the chapter which you want to learn. So there are students from grade 6 or 7 who will attend the class 10 micro courses as well, if they are very interested or keen to learn. Then if you are such student, then this is really a nice or the right plan. Did I say right? Yeah. So use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount. So less is more, of course. Why? Because greater the number of sessions you attend, lesser the price you need to pay. So 3 months is a really good plan, because we have started this 2021. So 3 months, Jan, Feb, March, you can revise, you can learn, relearn, and practice a lot. Yes. Coupon code is SURPRO, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time, and like the session. Click on the bell icon to so that you will get the notifications whenever I'm live or whenever videos are being premiered. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.